guys, welcome back to the Wright cooking channel. Today I'm just gonna make some fried dumpling and I'm gonna get started. This is the flour, guy. I'm gonna put 2 packs of sugar, and then I'm gonna just add some water already. Add a little salt to it, like half teaspoon of salt, and I'm just gonna use some water and knead it up, and I'm gonna just walk you through it. As I already told you guys, you have to be careful when you add the water to it because it will make it too soft, where you have to add more flour until you get it the way you want it. So don't use a lot of water, just prep the water.
And this is self-rising flour. This is not the all-purpose flour.
Yes guys, she's correct on that. No, we're using the self-rising flour. We don't have to add baking powder in it. This is already have baking powder in it. Baking.
That's all it is. It's just water and dough and flour. And you just make you a little.
Some people do use milk to or butter. Put it in a little boiling water so that the dumpling can be much softer. But I don't go that route, guys. So now that it's ready, guys, look at it. It's ready. So I'm just gonna make some small dumpling and walk you through it. Now guys, you can turn your fire on hot and high, but as soon as the skillet get hot, the oil get hot, turn it down to at least 6. Flour is ready, and I'm gonna make these dumplings, and I'm just gonna walk you through it. Now that the oil is hot in the pot, I'm gonna put them in and show you. Okay guys, see I'm rolling these dumplings, and I'm put them in slowly. You can make some long one like this too, guys. Okay. Okay guys, see, get it color, getting brown. You just need to soak. It's take like maybe 10 minutes guys.
Okay, this is our dumplings, and it's very simple. All he used was 1 cup of flour, and he just put water in it a little bit at a time until he got a nice soft dough, and he rolled it up in his hand and mashed it where it's round and spin some up a little bit, and this is what it looks like. Now, Jamaicans call this
Fried dumpling.
fried dumplings. Some of them call it festivals. They got different names.
Okay guys, this is our dumpling, fried dumpling. Some people even call them Johnny cake. But these are like festival, or you can call them fried dumpling, and we are gonna eat them. It can be eat with ackee and saltfish. One of those days I'm gonna buy some ackee and I'm gonna walk you through what you can eat with this. But for right now, I'm just gonna do some pork bean and cut up some like 2 sausage and just make a meal out of it.
Alrighty.
And I think you can try the dumplings as well. It's not hard. Just measure your water, judge your water, don't pour a lot of water, and take your time and do it. And look over the video, you'll get it. It's not hard.
We want to thank you guys for visiting our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a video. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching guys. God bless you all.